In this video, I'll show you how you can fix packet loss in Valorant. Now the first step that I suggest is you head over to Task Manager, go to Details and sort by the name. In here look for Valorant and close down Valorant by ending the task. Vanguard is fine, but if you have Valorant just close it down. After that press R and look for any Riot client service and close that down as well. After you've done that, search for Windows Defender Firewall, open it up, go to Advanced Settings. In here you want to press Inbound Rules, New Rule, Port, Next, TCP, and in here you want to type these numbers. So first we want to type 2099, 5222 5223, 8088, 8393 8400. Just like this. Once you have that, what you want to do is you want to press next, allow the connection, next, all of these, next. Just call it Valorant Inbound. Should be fine. Then what you want to do is you want to press New Rule again, port, next. This time choose UDP instead of TCP. And in here type 5000-5500, 8088. Press next, 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 and just call it Valorant UDP. Press finish, and there we go. After that, you want to close this one down. Go to Device Manager, open it up. In here, you want to find your network adapters. Then you want to find your network. This is my network. Right click, update the driver. After that, we want to set our DNS. So search for View Network Connections. Find your network that you're using, right click on Properties, find Internet Protocol version 4 and go to Properties. Use the following DNS and type 8888 4 just like this. Press OK and then close it down. Now after you've done this, we want to come here and search for CMD, right click, run as an administrator, and it should look like this. In here we want to type these 5 commands separately and press enter after each one. So the first one, enter, then the next one, enter, then the next one, enter, next, enter, next, enter. After you've done all of that, it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.